Guys, this is Enlightened and my name is Jinya Datta. Today I am going to tell you about a vital situation. Um, our new song Thirsty that came out on this week have a real story that was a little bit thriller kind of a it was horrible. It was so horrifying that I can't even tell you that how much horrifying it was. Like me and my sister was like literally like what is going to happen. Let me start from the beginning. We have wrote Thirsty. We have like really put efforts for this Thursday song. My sister have like really put her efforts, and she was like really took time for all the process, like making music, then mixing it, mastering it. Like it took it. So everything was done. Our recording was done. It was like so smooth. We have done like really quickly. The recording was finished, and the music was done previously only. And the mixing and mastering took a little bit time. My sister took a little bit time, and she was like really put it everything for this one. Like put everything and put really worked hard and like really do good, and we were like very excited to share with you guys. So we were like downloading a software from software, and guess what happened? Trojan virus came to our PC and said hi, and it changes the password and all of that, and it changes the password and we are not able to access anything. It changes the password, and it happens at 9:30 p.m. like at the night. Our PC detected the virus at 9:30 like at that point, and we were like freaking out, like what we are going to do now. Like we really don't have any idea that what should we do now, and we were like, oh my god, what is going to happen, and the first thing came in our mind, like in my mind and my sister's mind, is Thirsty, the song Thirsty that we have saved, and we really don't have any backup for that. But like, what we are going to do, man? Like we should like, I have told my sister that please share that file to my WhatsApp or something, and she was like, okay, let me do that. And obviously she forgot that, and she did that. So after that we were like searches in Google, and some people were like reboot that system, this that. So we tried that, right? We have shut down our computer, and when we have turned the PC on back, we were like and try to open it by giving the password. The password was changed. We were like, oh my god, at 10:30, what we are going to do now? We are like really freaking out that what we are going to do. At that point we were like, okay, let me do something, just shut out the computer and like let it be. At the morning we can do something, otherwise we are not able to do anything right now. And shutting down will be the best possible, like best thing we can do at that time. So we have done that, and after that, and at like we have tried our level best and like searched in Google like what can we do, and like till 12:31 we have not even slept at that night. We were like so worried, and that at the morning my sister woke up, and she woke me up that let's go to the shop. And I was like, what is going to happen? We have to format this, otherwise there is no other option. Like I know that, right? Like what can we do in this situation? Like every shop is now closed, and like yeah, so we can't really do anything. We can't even travel somewhere and to like restore it or something like that. So after that, at the morning, we have woke up and went to a shop nearby our house, like it was not even open. We called that guy and he was like, yeah, then come at 6 at the evening. And I was like, I was not even able to like talk that, you know what, our PC had detected a virus, it has changed our password, so please like let us like just come and like see. At the evening it will be like too late. But I was like in a state that I was not even able to talk. I was like, okay, let me like hang up on him.
And then little sister came to the rescue.
Seriously, she then called back and she told him that, you know what, our PC had detected the virus and please like open the shop and we are coming. So he was also freaked out. He was like, yeah, please come in and let me see what I can do. So we have went there and the shop was we have went to the shop and like they checked the PC and they were like, okay, the virus is there and the password is not there, password is changed, so we have to format this. We were like, I was not even in a situation that I can talk, like I can like even speak. I was like, okay, do that, like what can I do? I was like really feeling like hopeless, like what to say, like really feeling hopeless and like so weak at that time, that like what, like in my mind, like it's coming that on the PC, like on the laptop, the thirsty file was there and it was like on my mind that I just want that file. Otherwise, like I don't want anything, just format all of the things, but I just want that file and that file. That was like everything was done, everything was came out so good. It was, you know, it's like that when you know that this is the thing that you wanted, like it was like that. So I was not even able to like, I was like, okay, then I stare at my sister's face. She was like staring at the sky like, wow. She was also very puzzled, like what we are going to do. So she was like, okay, is there any possibility to restore all those things? So he was like, yeah, possibilities are there, but it will be a little bit costly. So we asked them that how much money we have to spend. So they said that yeah, 300 rupees will be fine. We are like, okay, so let us think. So we say that okay, let's format that computer laptop, and after that we discussed it a bit, and then we said that okay, so if you have to restore, then how much money you will need. So he directly said 3,000 rupees, and we were like not in a stage to talk even. So we were like okay, no, we are not going to do that. 3,000 rupees will be like too much. It's like so annoying when you see someone that they want to restore that thing, and at first you say that 300 rupees will be like, it's like all done, and then after that when they are saying after that how much money, then you are saying that 3,000 rupees, like direct 300 from to 300, you are saying that 3,000 rupees will be needed, and we are like so after that we have said all those things. But at that point we were like, no, please format that computer. Like we were, so formatting came like after 3 to 4 hours. The laptop came, and we have like continuously watching what is the possibility thing that we can like restore something, like some some files. And from the first to last, we were like, we just wanted the 30 file. Otherwise, we don't want anything. At 2 a.m. 2 a.m. the laptop came.
2 p.m. Sorry.
2 p.m. Yeah, at 2 p.m. the laptop came, and from 2 p.m. to 12:30 we have just tried. every software. Like we are searching on the net, on the YouTube, on the Google, and we have like tried most tariqas that one will work, right? But nothing worked. At the end of that day, we were like, I was like so irritated. I was like, no, this is not going to come. We have to do it one more time. And I'm like, I was heartbroken. But at the end of, like, still I was like trying, checking what to do. So one video came around and I watched it. And then my sister does all those things like downloading that software, and from that software, like she have typed latest. The file was saved by the name latest. Nothing came. I was like, this is not going to work. Then under latest, she clicked that lost file came. Something lost came. So on the lost she clicked, and then at that file latest file was there, and under that file latest file was there, and we were like, and she clicked all of that, and then tried restoring, and they were like saying that no, we can't restore that, you have to purchase that. And after that I was like, oh my god, if this is the like last thing, if like we have to came back from this, we really don't know what to do. Like it was like that. Then I saw that everything was like ticked, so I just told her that, you know what, everything, delete everything, just click on that folder and then restore it. And she clicked on that folder, restore it. Guess what? It got restored actually. So thanks to that person, we have commented also that everything like thank you very much for your help, it worked, and nothing worked. Like every possible we have tried so many tariqas, nothing worked. And at the end of the day, Thirsty came back. We were like really happy. So yeah, this is the story behind it. It was a lost file that came back, and we were like really happy.
And I have something to say. I'm a little camera shy, but still I want to share it. That some lessons we got from this is, number one, cloud storage is the best storage. Always like upload everything, all of your important work to cloud storage, and always have a backup. And be a little bit more cautious while downloading softwares. And yeah, that's it.
If you like our song, if you like our videos, then like, share and subscribe. Till the next time,
Be musical!